Here's a quick tip for setting up digital modes on Windows 11. If you use VARA, VARA-FM, WSJTX, SDRuno, JS8 Call, VarAC, if you're using these programs, you're going to need access to these applications in Windows, these sound applications. So I'm going to show you how to put these on your desktop for a quick access. Move these out of the way. We're actually going to delete these and we'll recreate them. Those applications are very well described here by November 1 Sierra Papa Whiskey. November 1 SierraPapaWhiskey.net has a great, excellent how-tos on setting up your Digi-Rig for Windows 10, Windows 11, and then specifics on Winlink, VARA, and Digi-Rig here. What that looks like if you download that. He has, again, an excellent how-to guide on your configuration for these settings. To get into these applications, though, it gets confusing because sometimes you're looking down in here and sometimes you're typing things in, so that's why I went ahead and created those shortcuts, and those have come in really handy operating digital ham radio. So we'll show you how to put them on your desktop real quick. First you want to start on your desktop here, just right click, do new shortcut, type in control panel. Next, you're going to want to name it control panel. Finish. Alright, there it is. And you can click into it and you can do small or large icons. So if you're in small icons, you want to grab this device manager, put it onto your desktop. You also want to put your sound onto this desktop, and then you can close your control panel. But here you can right click, just call it device manager. This guy here, right click, rename, call it sound. Alright, now we're going to add 3 more. From here, right click, new shortcut. Type in ms-settings :sound. Next, name this one system sound. Finish. There you go. Right click, new shortcut. ms-settings apps volume. ms-settings :apps volume. Next, it's going to be your volume mixer. Finish. And the last one you want here is services.msc. Right click, new shortcut, services.msc. Next, services. Alright, so these are going to be really helpful when you're setting up and troubleshooting things. You're doing this how-to guide. These are going to be very helpful when you're accessing these different screens in Windows. So control panel, obviously. Device manager. For this device manager, you want to make sure you're viewing your hidden devices. So like your ports, common LPT, you want to make sure that you can see those. You want to make sure that you can see any hidden devices in here, because sometimes those hidden devices will cause you problems and you won't even be able to see them. Make sure you do that in there. For your sound, this is where you do your playback, recording, sounds, and communications. System sound, right here. You can get to that. You can also get to volume mixer through here, or we have a specific icon here. Right. And the last one is the services. For here, you want to make sure that your Waves audio is off, disabled. Waves audio disabled, disabled. That can wreak havoc on your levels, your volume levels. For all the other settings, you just want to make sure that You've got them set as described here by November 1 Sierra Papa Whiskey. He did a great job. So many thanks to him. And I hope these makes your life easier with your digital ham radio. 73.